little sucker, isn't he?
Look at this, you guys. A hawk in the chicken coop.
I thought, okay, I can't leave Red in there after all because he's causing a disaster. Because I came out here and I just heard this onion carrying on. You see, when I've been over at Jamie's, last night I came over and that's the second one I've lost. So I've been like,
Look how little bitty it is.
yeah, he's not a big hawk. I don't know if he's full grown. Maybe he's children. I don't know. But
For real, dude. Get a jean jacket for me. And those gloves. Whoa! Holy crap, I think so. I think so. That was crazy. The hawk just attacked me.
This is why we've got to do it. Yeah, I thought it was a cat or something. Anyway, when I came in last night, half of the chicks were out, and half of them were in, and the ones from those places.
Look at that. So it's killing our chickens. Whoa.
Okay. Maybe he's getting it.
This guy's crazy.
Look at Red.
All the chickens. There's a rooster. See, look, all the chickens are deathly scared. You can't really see them. They're all in there, though. Yeah, there they are. Look how beautiful this bird is.
It got it.
Did it? Where is it? Wow.
Can you see it?
Yeah. There he goes.